So what we're going to do is I'm going to pin back up these sections. If you hear whistling, that's my boyfriend. Owen, I'm filming. Can you stop whistling? Thanks. Guys, this life is not easy. It didn't choose me. You chose me. Alright guys, so I've pinned back up my hair in the sections after shampooing. Look how lovely my hair looks after using that shampoo. Like seriously, what shampoo does that? Look at the clumpage. Anyways, so now my hair is squeaky clean. It's time to condition, okay? Remember, the conditioner restores what the shampoo took, okay? So we're gonna restore that. I don't know what it took because my hair looks amazing. It feels soft, it's bouncy, it's fluffy. Wow, that is some shampoo. Wow, I'm impressed. Anyways, remember guys, use any of the products that you have at home. You do not have to buy the same products that I'm using. This is just to demonstrate. Of course, just use up what you've already been using. Just follow the steps and the technique, okay? So my hair is freshly shampooed and now I'm just going to apply the conditioner. So keeping with the same brand, Naughty. I'm very heavy-handed. You guys don't have to be, but I just am. Make sure your ends get some love, guys. Don't forget the ends. Please don't forget the ends. And after you've applied the conditioner and you've pulled it down and you just feel like it's taken to your hair, you can literally see that it's just taken really well to my hair. If your conditioner don't give you slip or you don't feel like it's taking well to your hair, just apply a little bit of warm water to it, like so. And literally, by just applying that little bit of warm water, it just activates, it opens up your hair strand, and then it penetrates deeper into your hair. Like, that's a tip. Remember, warm water opens the cuticles of your hair and cold water closes it. You see that? Juicy. Okay, so we're just gonna repeat that same step. So before we move on, we twist the hair. Oh, look at that. Do you guys ever have one curl that just doesn't want to join the group? I always have that one. So we're going to twist the hair. We're going to do the same step to each section, okay? Alright guys, so the conditioner is in all 4 sections of my hair. Very quick. This conditioning process is probably the quickest part of the whole process. Remember to twist the conditioner in your hair. By twisting the conditioner in your hair, it literally, when your cuticles open and you do that twisting motion, all that goodness of the conditioner seeps into your hair strands and your hair just relaxes. It's just moisturized, it just lays beautiful. It's literally the best thing you could do for your hair. If you take anything away from these videos, is this tip: twist your hair. This is a huge tip guys. If you're experiencing dry hair, make sure, especially around the conditioning process and the deep conditioning process, you twist the product in your hair and leave it to soak in that goodness, okay? It will really help. So now I'm just going to leave this in for 5 minutes and then I'll rinse out and I'll show you the end results of how my hair looks, okay? Hi guys, so excuse the noise. Basically my extractor fan is on so the camera doesn't steam up. But the last time I filmed this using all the Naughty products, still using it, but my camera had cut out, so I have to refilm the conditioning section. So what I'm going to do is show you basically the end results of the previous clips, because I'll still be using the clips from before but showing you the end result, which is always the same. So I'm going to rinse out the conditioner and that will be that. Yeah, I'm gonna rinse out my hair now and you can see how my hair has reacted to the fact that I twist the conditioner in and how defined my hair is. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this down. See, it just melts your hair. So that's the results from my conditioning. It's very simple. I leave it in for 5 minutes. I always twist the products in and then I rinse out with warm water. Those are the key things that I want you guys to remember. So that's it for the conditioning side, guys. Hope you learned something.